Hello, what if I told you it was possible to combine all of your business applications under one platform? Well, that is basically Apptivo, and I'll be showing you how to use it. It is a highly rated cloud-based suite of business applications. So not only will you be able to manage your CRM and also your sales and marketing, but you'll also be able to manage leads and sales forecasts. Also, you'll be able to create invoices, expense tracking, and inventory management, and so much more. To get started, all you'll need to do is go onto Apptivo.com. From there, you can use their 30-day free trial period. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. All you'll need to do is tap on Get Started. Then you can sign up using your email address and create a password. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, the first thing I want you to pay attention to is the left-hand menu option and the upper menu option right here. For example, you can see a calendar. This is your activity calendar on which you'll be able to add tasks and different activities. To add a task or activity, all you have to do is tap on Create Activity. Then from there, you can choose whether you would like to add an event or a task or follow up. So let's say, for example, I would like to add a task. All I will need to do is simply tap on task right there. After you have tapped on task, you can enter the task name. So let's say, for example, create a video. After you have done that, you could add in the description right there. Then you can tap on due date and you can set the due date. So let's say that will be due on the 4th. Then from there, you can assign it to an individual. So at the moment, only I am added to it. So if you'd like to add a contact, you'll simply tap on the plus right there. And from there, you'll be able to add employees, contact, or team, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Create in the bottom right hand corner. And you have created your first task. And again, if you would like to add an event, you can do that. If you would like to add follow-up, you can also do that. And you can also view your call logs in the future, your news feed, and numerous other things by going over to the left-hand menu option, as you can see right here. Now, if you would like to use Apptivo for product management, all you will need to do is go to the top of the page, select product management, and you're going to see a drop-down menu option. From there, you can tap on items and you'll be able to add your first item. After you have selected items, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Create. After you have tapped on Create, from here you'll be able to add your first item. So you'll be able to add the price, tax code, and you can also add the item name right there. And you can also describe the item. And if you'd like to create a category, you can do that right there. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Create in the bottom right hand corner. Another thing that you can also do on Apptivo is by going over to the top again. From there, you could select invoices, and here you'll be able to create new invoice. So let me show you how to do that real quick. After you have selected invoices, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. And one of the reasons why I like Apptivo and why it is so highly rated is it is quite easy to use even as a complete beginner. So you'll be able to manage your leads, create invoices, numerous things by simply clicking on it. So for example, you can see right here, you could go over to the left-hand menu option once more, tap it. And from here, you could tap on Create New. After you have created a new invoice, you can use it from another invoice right there. So meaning you can copy invoices if you want. And after creating projects, you'll be able to copy projects. So we'll tap on Create New right here. Then you'll see what do you want to include in this invoice, services, items, or both. Then you'll tap on continue. And from here, you'll see auto-generated number. You could add in your customer. To add a customer, you'll simply tap on the plus right here beside customer, and you'll be able to create a customer. So you can add their name, category, description, then tap on create in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, from there you can add the shipping address, phone number, currency, and you can also add the payment term. So for example, you have net 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, or if you would like to collect payment immediately. Once you have done that, you can scroll down. If you would like to add any notes to the customer, you can do that. And you can also add your first service. So to add a service, you'll tap on the plus right where you see services provided. And then from there, you can add the task name and the hours that you had put in. And you can add your hourly rate right there. Once everything is finished, you'll simply scroll down. And from there, you can tap on preview to see how it looks. Then you can tap on save for later if you would like to use it at a later date. Now going back to the top menu option, we can tap on marketing. And from there, you can set different sales targets, and you can also create different campaigns by tapping on campaigns. And again, with Apptivo, you get all of these business features that you can quickly get access to on one platform. So this is why it is so highly rated, because they are getting access to so many other business suites features that will come in handy to enhance your business growth. And again, to create a target, you'll go over to the left hand menu option, tap right where you see create, and from there you can set up static targets or dynamic target listing. So dynamic target listing would basically be targets that may change in the future while your business gradually progresses. Or if you like to set static target lists, you can do that, which would mean that those are set fast targets that you're aiming towards. And again, by tapping on marketing, you can also create different campaigns. And when it comes on to their CRM, which is highly rated, from here you will be able to create different opportunities, and also you can move those opportunities into leads. For example, if I were to tap on opportunities, I would be redirected to the opportunities dashboard. So let me do that real quick, and I'll be showing you how to add your first opportunity. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and by the way, you can see the layout right here. You can see sales funnel, 12-month pipeline. You can see the different options right here and how you'll be able to monitor it. To create an opportunity, you'll first need to tap on in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you'll be able to add the opportunity name. Then you can add the customer information or the contact information, and you can add the lead source also. Then you'll scroll down and you'll fill out the rest of information. Once you have done that, you'll tap on create in the bottom right hand corner, and you have now created your first opportunity. You can also tap on sales funnel from the left hand menu option, and from there you'll be able to view your sales funnel after you have created it. To create a sales funnel, all you have to do is tap on CRM. Then from there you can tap on leads and you can start creating your sales funnel. So let's tap on leads real quick. Once it loads up, I'll be showing you what to do next. So you can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on create, and from here you'll be able to create your first lead. So you can quickly fill in the information right here and tap on create in the bottom right hand corner. You can also use it for recruitment of candidates, and you can also add team members and employees. And by tapping on more, you'll simply see all of the features that I have shown you earlier, as you can see right here. So you can simply select the category. You can also use it for project management, as you can see here. So you'll be able to monitor their timesheets and so on. And that's basically it. As you can see, Apptivo is a very powerful business suite that can help businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business owner, a large business, you will be able to manage your operation more effectively under one app. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.